In the obstacle course of life, there are a lot of hoops to go through.
Hi, this is Cynthia calling from the claims department. We regret to inform you we do not cover that procedure.
It's crunch time. You're gonna have to do a heavy dose of mandatory overtime till we get those numbers up.
Honey, I know my mother doesn't respect you, but if we can just try to get along with her while we stay with her for the next month.
RepairHub.com makes it easy to find and schedule quality car service, so you'll have one less hoop to go through. RepairHub.com, auto service for the 21st century.